Hello, mechanical engineering enthusiast. Welcome back to Skymount Educadd. Today, we are diving into a topic that's shaping the future of mechanical engineering, that is, automation and coding. In this video, we'll explore the pivotal role that coding and automation play in modern mechanical engineering and how learning programming languages like Python and C++ can skyrocket your career prospects. So, if you're ready, let's get started. Mechanical engineering has come a long way from traditional drafting tables and manual calculations. In the digital age, automation has transformed the landscape. Today, mechanical engineering toolbox includes not only nuts and bolts, but also lines of codes. Automation has revolutionized manufacturing, making it faster, more efficient, and precise. Robotics, CNC machines, and 3D printing have reshaped the industry. But the driving force behind these innovations is coding. So, why is programming so crucial for modern mechanical engineers? Well, let's break it down. Two programming languages are taking center stage, Python and C++. Python is known for its simplicity and versatility, while C++ is highly efficient and used extensively in computational mechanics. Learning these languages can provide you with a competitive edge. First, let's talk about Python, the game changer in the world of mechanical engineering. Python's simplicity makes it an ideal choice for engineers. You can use Python for data analysis, simulations, automation, and even creating user-friendly interfaces for your tools. It's versatile and has an extensive library ecosystem that simplifies complex tasks. Python allows you to automate repetitive tasks, which saves hours of work. You can also simulate and test designs before we even prototype them. It's a game changer. Now, let's move to C++, the powerhouse behind computational mechanics and modeling. C++ is renowned for its efficiency and power in handling complex simulations. If you're into finite element analysis, that is FEA, or computational fluid dynamics, that is CFD, C++ is your go-to language. It allows you to dive deep into the mechanics of your designs. C++ empowers engineers to develop their own simulation codes, giving them more control over the analysis process. It's a language for those who seek precision. So, how can learning Python and C++ enhance your career prospect? In today's competitive job market, employers seek engineers who not only design but also optimize, analyze, and automate processes. Coding skills open up a world of opportunities from research and development to aerospace and automotive industries. Mechanical engineers proficient in Python and C++ are highly sought after. These skills can boost your earning potential and open doors to exciting career paths. Now that you understand the importance of coding, where can you learn these languages? We have several online platforms like Coursera, edX, and Code Academy, which offers courses on Python and C++. You can explore these courses through books like Python for Mechanical Engineers and C++ for Engineers for in-depth knowledge. In conclusion, the future of mechanical engineering is undeniably intertwined with coding and automation. Learning Python and C++ can be your ticket to a thriving career in this dynamic field. So, start coding, embrace automation, and be a part of the next generation of mechanical engineers shaping our world. Thanks for joining us today at Skymount Educadd. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more exciting content. Until next time, keep innovating and engineering the future. Thank you.